Presenting a pre-owned 2010 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT. 2010 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT, built tough, ready for anything. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter V8 engine with rear-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 121,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Meet your new best friend on wheels. This 2010 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT is built tough, dependable, and ready for work or play. Powered by a proven Vortec 5.3L flex fuel V8 producing 315 horsepower and 335 lb-ft of torque, it delivers the strength you need for towing, hauling, or your daily commute. Finished in eye-catching Black Granite Metallic with a comfortable ebony cloth interior, this Silverado combines rugged capability with everyday comfort. With just under 121,000 miles, averaging less than 8,000 miles per year, it has been driven well below average for its age. Factory features include power windows and locks, air conditioning, cruise control, tilt steering wheel, premium audio system, trip computer, ABS brakes, and multiple airbags. A clean Carfax report adds extra confidence, making the Silverado an excellent choice for anyone seeking a reliable, well-maintained full-size pickup. Don't miss your chance to own this dependable Chevy. Key features include satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, power windows, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.